Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the classification of business activity. So the business are divided into the industry and commerce. So the basic dividation of the business is to be industry and commerce. So again industry has divided into a three category, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. So next, again a commerce is divided into two category, that is the trade and auxiliaries to the trade. Okay. So next, the primary industry is going to divide it into a extractive industry and genetic industry. Primary industry has divided into a extractive and genetic industry. Secondary industry is divided into two category, that is manufacturing and construction. Manufacturing industry again it divided into four category, that is analytical, synthetical, processing and assembling. And again comes to the commerce. Commerce is divided into two category, that is trade and auxiliaries to the trade. So the trade again it divided into two category, that is internal trade and the external trade. So internal trade may be a wholesaler and a retailer. External trade will be import, export and interport. So again auxiliaries to the trade we are having, that may be a transportation, warehousing, advertising, insurance and the banking and financing. So these are the classification of business activity. Remember, the business can be mainly divided into two category, that is industry and commerce. Again industry is divided into three category, that is a primary, secondary and tertiary. In a primary we are having a two types, that is extractive industry and genetic industry. Secondary industry are divided into two category, that is a manufacturing and construction. In a manufacturing we are having a four types, that is analytical, synthetical, processing and assembling. The next the secondary trade again it divided into a construction industry. Okay. The next, the tertiary industry is called as a service sector. The services which we are going to use for the business, that is called as the tertiary industry. That may be a transportation, warehousing, advertising, the banking. So these are come under the tertiary sectors. It means they are providing a services to the business development. So next, commerce is divided into two category, that is trade and auxiliaries to the trade. So trade is divided into two category, internal and external. Internal may be a wholesaler and a retailer. External may be import, export and interport. Auxiliaries to the trade will be a transportation, the next warehousing, advertising, insurance and the banking. So these are come under the classification of business activity. So these are the classification of business activity. So again we are now we will study about the what is mean by the industry. So the industry refers to the economical activity which are connected with the conservation of the which is connected with the conversion of the resources into useful goods, that called as the industry. So here what happens, industry means it is the one of the activity. Industry is one of activity which connected. So they are connected with the conversion of the raw material into a finished goods. It means they are going to collect, industries are going to collect the goods from the raw material from the natural and from the nature. Then next they are going to produce the finished goods or the end products they are going to produce in the time of industry. So the term industry is used for the activities in the which mechanical applications and the technical skill are to be involved. It means in the industry they are going to use the big machines and the boilers they are using, and they are using the new technology and the new skills in the business in the industry, that's called as the industry. So industry is a term, it is a one of our activity which is a mechanical applications. It means they are going to use the machines in the business or the in the production, they called as a industry. Okay. So this is regarding to the industry meaning. And next, so the term industry is also used to main group of the a firm producing a similar or the related goods. For the example, a cotton textile industry refers to all the manufacturing units producing a textile goods for the cotton. So what happens here? Here we are going to see here cottons. Okay, so the cotton can be produced here. The cotton can be produced with the help of threads. Okay, with the help of cotton we are going to produce the thread. So that thread is used for the production of the cloth. So if you want to be produce the cloth, then there is the requirement of the a cotton. So through the cotton we are going to prepare the thread. That thread we are going to use for the production of the we are going to use that thread for the production of cloth. So to produce the cloth, there is the requirement, the raw material is called as the a cotton. So this is regarding to the industry. So remember, industry means this is the one of our activity where we are going to use the raw material. It means the one product to we are going to produce the another product. It means the raw material we are using to produce the end product, that's called as the industries. Okay, so this is regarding to the industry. So again, industry are maybe divided into a three category, that is namely primary industry, secondary industry and tertiary industry. So see here, the industry is divided into three category: primary, secondary and tertiary. This is regarding this is regarding to the industry. So remember, industry may be divided into three category, that is a primary industry, secondary industry and tertiary industry. So next with we are having a one chart. With that we can understand the business activity. So see here, industry and commerce. So business mainly it is divided into two category, that is a industry and a commerce. Industry means dealing with the production of the goods and services. Here with the help of industry we are going to produce the goods and services and we are going to reach to the end customer. So the commerce dealing with the distribution of goods and services. See here, through the help of industry we are going to produce the goods and we are going to produce the goods and services that should be dealt and the commerce will be going to reach distribution. Distribution means they are going to reach that products to the end customer, that's called as the commerce. Remember here, industry means it dealing with the a production of goods and services, but a commerce is dealing with the distribution of goods and services. So here the industry is again divided into three category: primary, secondary and tertiary. In the primary industry, already I have explained this chart. So here a primary industry will be having a types, that is extractive and genetic industries. Extractive industry and genetic industry. Secondary industry we are divided as a manufacturing industry and a construction industry. Tertiary or the service industry, already I have explained. Tertiary industries are those industry which are provided the services to the a business, that's called as the a tertiary or the service industry. That may be a transportation, banking, warehousing, insurance, advertising, that all come under the tertiary industry. So next we are having a commerce. Commerce is dealing with the distribution of goods and services. So see here, the goods are manufactured by the manufacturer houses that should be reached to the customer. So if you want to be reached that, then who are helping here? Commerce is helping. So commerce again it's divided into two category, that is the trade. It means buying and selling of goods. The next aids to the trade or the auxiliaries to the trade. So aids means helping to the business, that may be a transportation and communication, banking and financing, insurance, warehousing, advertising. We are having under the aids to the trade or the auxiliaries to the trade. Okay, so the trade is again divided into two category, that we are having. First one, internal trade and the external trade. So internal trade means the trade between a within a country. It means within a country we are going to sell the goods, that may be a wholesaler and a retailer. So we are having a supply chain, manufacturer to wholesaler, wholesaler to retailer, retailer to customer. So like this we are having a supply chain or the distribution channels we are having, that is indirect or the direct channels we are having. So wholesaler means the person who is purchasing large number of products from the manufacturer and he is going to reach to the retailer, called as the wholesaler. Next, external trade may be import, export and interport. So importing means purchasing a good from another country. Export means from our country we are going to sell the goods to another country. Interport trade means the importing a goods for the intention to resell to the another country. Okay, so these called as a interport trade. These are regarding to the business activity. Okay, so business activity is divided into two category, that is industry and commerce. So industry is dealing with the production of goods and services, and the that should be reached with the help of commerce. Commerce is going to help to distribution of the goods and services to the end customer. This is regarding to the business activity. Okay, so business activity meaning and how it has divided, that all we have learned in this class. So the remaining types of industry we will study in the next class. Okay, thank you, have a nice